We're here at the FastScale booth with Lynn LeBlanc, who's the CEO of FastScale. How's the show been working out for you guys?
It's great. It is so busy. It's been a fantastic show so far.
And you're up for one of the VMware awards here.
Absolutely. So in the application management category and infrastructure software. So we have a solution that's really great for streamlining infrastructure for both physical and virtual machines, Windows and Linux, and all with a very light footprint environment that improves memory, virtual machine density, as well as performance. So, that puts us at a pretty good spot.
Can we see a short demo of how the product works?
Absolutely. So Jason can help us with that. Jason's one of our system engineers.
Hi, I can do a quick demo comparing a conventional server built around CentOS to one of our servers that we used our technology to build the same exact software stack, but in a much reduced and optimized footprint. So I'll start off with booting up the conventional server. I built these both onto VMDKs running on VMware server here. And I'll even give this one a little bit of a head start. Then I'm going to go ahead and start up our FastScale kind of optimized software environment. And we can see we've loaded the kernel, we're loading all the modules, bringing up the network interfaces now. And then we've loaded the application and the system's live. So if I go in and look at the network interfaces, we can see what IP address we're running on. Come over here. You can see the Apache server's up and running. And if we look, the conventional server is still booting. And the reason why it's still starting is there's really a lot of extra software on here that you don't need as part of your production web server environment. We have a cup server, which is a print server, send mail, etc. Lots of services and utilities you're probably not using. And what we found is if you actually analyze the files that Apache is using from the operating system, it's a very small amount compared to the entire OS. So we're able to get it down from 3 gigs to 30 megabytes. And I can show you some of the numbers here. So I'll go ahead and log into the conventional server. Of course, that takes a little while here. Bring up a terminal. And so if we want to look and see how much memory the traditional system's running, we can just run free here, and we see it's running 240 megs of RAM. And of course that's because, X Windows, a number of things are loaded here. And somebody could go in and try to optimize that, but they're never going to get it, they're never going to get it down to, less than probably 200 megs of RAM. So if we look on our FastScale server, run the same command, we can see we're only using 50 megs of RAM. So, when I tell other, Linux systems engineers that rerun Apache in 50 megs of RAM, they literally don't believe it until I show them. It's pretty amazing. And, same with the disk space. If we look, you can see even with the VMware tools installed, we're only using, 30 megabytes of disk space. Well, 31. And if we look at the conventional server, it's using over 3 gigs. So again, that's where we can get a 95% smaller software stack that was all built automatically in seconds.
And it's for any arbitrary application running Windows or Linux. So this is not like building an appliance one at a time. This is a fully automated process for IT organizations to be able to automatically create very small footprint, very lightweight environments automatically without having to go through the pain of building and managing golden images.
Very exciting stuff. And where can they go if they want to find out more information about your product?
They can go to www.fastscale.com, or if they happen to be at VMworld, we're in booth 565.
Great. Thanks for taking the time to talk to us today.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.